Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission for many purchases. It's like today we're doing puzzle number 253. If we start with this box, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. For this bottom row now, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 8, 5. For this top row, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got the 5 here, so 7, 5. For this column now, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so this is our 3. 9 here, so 7, 9. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 4. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got 2 and 6 here, so this is our 3. I don't see any other help. So 2, 6, 2, 6. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 3 here. So 4, 7, no help here. 3, 4, 7. 4 here, so 3, 7. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got 2 and 8 here, so this is our 4. 2 here, so 8, 2. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 3, 7, 3, 7. For this column, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 9, 1 here, so 6, 9. So that means that our 1 for that column has to be here. For this column, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so this is our 7. 4 here, so 9, 4. For this box now, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. We've got a 5 here and a 6 here, so this is our 3. That 6 makes this our 5, 6. For this row now, we're just missing a 5. For this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 7. We've got 1 and 7 here, so this is our 4. That 4 makes this our 7, 1. That 7 makes this our 3, 4. That 3 makes this our 7, 3. Oh, and this 6 makes this our 2, 6. For this column now, we're just missing a 3. For this column, we're missing 7 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 7, 9, 7, 9. For this column, we're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got 5 and 8 here, so this is our 6. 5 here, so 8, 5. That 6 makes this our 9, 6. That 9 makes this our 7, 9. And for this box now, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so this is our 2. 9 here, so 7 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow for our next puzzle.